Wait, watch it. All right, you're good. Got one? All right. Oh, he's not coming out. Yeah, I'm already done. So I'll put up a good fight though for a little guy. Yeah?
Goodbye. Nice job.
And then I just let it eat, and then I tightened it. As soon as she knew she was caught, she was like,
Ryan, it's taking some runs. Okay. Yeah, I probably need to switch out with somebody because I'm.
all right. Here, someone on Buffalo. I got you. Who's next? Who's next? Okay.
Oh, hold on.
Got it?
Yeah, I just wanted to make sure we had tension. It's just fucking running, Kenny. It's further than when I took it from you.
Yeah. Hopefully it's
We'll
not,
slow
hopefully
down.
it's not a hammer.
Walking up the beach.
It's not a hammer on the right.
I don't think it's a hammer. We've had crazier runs than this. Crazier, harder fights than this.
You know when you're ready.
The main thing is just to keep reeling, even if you don't feel anything, Jay. Just reel as fast as you can.
Wait till I got it.
Watch out, nobody's there. It's a fucking short